Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to bring back the Threads badge on your Instagram profile in 2025. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you can toggle it back on and show off your Threads link again. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to start by launching your Instagram mobile application first on your phone. So once you are here in your account, you need to tap on your profile icon in your Instagram account in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the edit profile option, and here you will be able to just scroll down and look for the toggle that is labeled as show threads badge. If you are able to find it over here, it is well and good, but if you are not able to find it over here, you will have to basically change your account to the professional account. Currently I have this option available, that is show threads badges. So if this toggle button is turned off in your account, simply tap on it and turn it on. Once it is turned on, you need to come back here on your Instagram bio page or on your profile, and here you will be able to see this @ icon, which is basically the icon for threads. If you tap on this option, it will automatically redirect you in your Threads application or in your Threads account. This simply means that you have your Threads icon reappeared in your Instagram bio. Now you need to basically save the changes, and here your Threads badge will now be visible again to anyone who is visiting your profile. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips, and comment below if you want me to make tutorials on any other videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.